I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift Subaru Forester, full guide. Start by choosing a lift height and gathering quality parts like shocks, springs, and extended hardware. Prioritize safety and correct jack points. Remove wheels, support the vehicle with stands, and replace suspension components following torque specs. Check wheel alignment and brake lines for sufficient length. Test drive slowly, recheck fasteners, and retorque after 50 miles to ensure safe operation. Begin by laying out all tools and parts on a clean workspace to avoid interruptions. Confirm parts compatibility with your drivetrain and brake setup before starting. Use a spring compressor and support the control arm before removing any suspension bolts. Keep a torque chart handy and mark original fastener positions for reference. Work one corner at a time to maintain stability and double-check clearances before lowering the vehicle back to the ground. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more builds. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for camps and coffee breaks between installs. I left the product link and extra discounts in the description, so check that out when you get a moment. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start each corner by loosening lug nuts and supporting the vehicle on stands at the proper jack points. Remove the wheel, disconnect sway bar links and brake line brackets, then remove the strut assembly. Transfer springs or fit new assemblies, ensuring spring seats and bearings are aligned. Reassemble, torque all fasteners to spec, then lower the vehicle and perform an alignment. Finish with a careful test drive to confirm handling and ride height are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.